ready to turn your passion for technology into a powerful career? At Our Lady of Fatima University, Pampanga campus, we're not just shaping the students, we're shaping the future of the leaders in the world of information technology.
What is the BSIT career? The Bachelor of Science Information Technology or BSIT is more than just learning how to code. It's about solving real-world problems using innovative solutions. From programming, cybersecurity, systems development, and data analytics to mobile and web app creation. BSIT at Olpo is your gateway to the digital future.
Bakit nga ba sa Olpo, Pampanga? Here's why. State-of-the-art facilities, our computer labs are equipped with the latest hardware and software tools that bring your classroom lesson to life. Experience in industry, connected faculty, learn from IT professionals who bring real-world knowledge and guide you toward to path of success. Hands-on training, we believe in learning by doing. You'll be immersed in practical projects, internship, and industry exposure that build your skills and confidence. Global recognition also is known nationwide and beyond for producing top-notch graduates who led in tech and innovation.
At Olpo, Pampanga, we don't just prepare you for a job, we prepare you for a life. Join tech bootcamps, intrams, competitions, and seminars that sharpen your skills and build your portfolio. Meet minded students and mentors who share your goal and your passion for all things tech. Plus, with our strong industry linkage, you'll gain access to career opportunities and internships at leading companies, even before you graduate.
Ano-ano nga ba ang mga opportunities? Meron tayong software engineer, web developer, and database developer, data analysis, data scientist, machine learning engineer, cybersecurity analysis, IT security specialist, network administrator, system administrator, cloud engineer, help desk analysis, IT technician, project manager, business analysis, and lastly, UX or UI designer.
Whether you dream of becoming a software engineer, IT analysis, game developer, or cybersecurity expert, your journey begins here. Olpo Pampanga's BSIT program isn't just a degree. It's your foundation of the future innovation, creativity, and limitless potentials. Enroll today and be part of the next generation tech leaders. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo?